So it's been a while since I haven't actually made a Forex video, but I wanted to give you an update in regards to my latest trades with Forex trading, where pretty much you could have made $22,300 in like 4 days without any knowledge in trading whatsoever. So in this specific video, I want to give you an update in regards to that. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm going to show you my latest results with my Forex trades and show you exactly how you can do something similar or literally exactly what I'm doing by copying my positions. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification of every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, first of all, I do want to mention to you that the option that you can have in case you don't have enough capital to invest, or in case, I don't know, you don't want to risk like tens of thousands of dollars into one trading account, there are funded accounts that can help you out with that by just proving that you have the skills to trade. All right, this is not for someone who does not know how to trade, who is not following my signals, and this just want to trade blindly. This is not going to work for you. But if you have some experience in day trading, or you are profitable in Forex trading, or you follow my signals, then you can make money with a funded account. What you do is that you actually pay a certain amount for a big trading account. For instance, $100,000 account can cost, I think, like $500 or something like that. There you go. $100,000 account costs $588. And if you actually pass and show them that you can make money with that trading account, then you get reimbursed for that amount of money. And plus, you're able to trade with a big account and make profits towards it. So for instance, you buy the $100,000 account, you pass the challenge and all, you get refunded by those $588, and then you make $20,000 out of that $100,000 account, then you can make up to 80% of profit from those $20,000. For instance, you will get $16,000 and the company keeps the $4,000 profit. But guess what? All you invested was those $500. So in case that's an option for you, I'm going to have the link to the two funded companies that I actually trust, which is EA Funding and FTMO. I'm going to have the link to both of them below in the description of this video in case you want to open an account with them. And like I said, this is only if you don't want to invest your money and you want to invest the company's money, then this would be a great option for you. Now let's go ahead and talk about the latest 4 signals that I have sent in the BLW Signals group, which by the way is in the description of this video, blwsignalsgroup.com. But this is one. This is for Euro JPY, and I literally sent it here. I always draw my setup in the actual zone or in the actual candlestick. So if you notice, there is a zone right here, which I actually drew. I'm not going to extend that much into it. So I sent it, and then boom, I sent this on May 29th. And then it actually touched and activated the trade. It kept on going up. Then it actually retracted and got some new orders in case you couldn't enter at the beginning. And it went all the way up and up and up. And yesterday I told them, hey, close the trade. You're good to go. 7.14 in risk reward ratio, which means profit against losses. And then we have this trade right here, which was on euro against the US dollar. This was from last month, 23 in risk reward ratio, but this one's 4.43. So I told him, hey, this is the trading zone. Again, I'm not going to go into the analysis pretty much. Then he literally got activated immediately. And then it went straight down to the take profit with 4.43 in risk reward ratio. Simple as that, right? Then we have a new trade right here, which was on Euro GBP. So I sent it around here and I saw this trading zone. This was a 1 hour trade. So I saw this imbalance right there. And I said, hey, this could be a good sell option. Many people didn't believe that the actual price was, or the entry price was going to be touched again. Then after a couple of days, I sent this on June the 1st. Yeah, June the 1st. And right there on June the 5th, it got activated and it literally started going down in the direction that I predicted. Now, this trade took a little bit longer to expire. I'm in 1 hour candlesticks, by the way, but it gave me a 6.03 on risk reward ratio. All right, if we combine the three of them, we have a total of 22.3 risk reward ratio. Now, what's the good thing about this? Look, if you're a trader, then you probably already know that the most important thing is the risk reward ratio, not even the pips or the accuracy on the signals on the trades. So if you actually follow these trades by risking only 1% of your balance, you could have made 22% in return, 22.3% in return. And if you remember that I mentioned at the beginning of this video about the funded accounts, if you would have had a $100,000 account, which is the most common one, you would have made $22,000 in profit. And for those people, that is actually really, really good. For instance, $250,000 account times the 22.3%, that would have made you $55,000. Okay, just by risking 1%, which is very good for a funded account. So any of the accounts that you would have had, you would have made around 22 grand, which is absolutely great. Okay, so yeah, this is how these trades actually went. Now, if you're wondering how to copy my trades, because I did mention that, then maybe you're not familiar with this, but I do have a Telegram signals for Forex channel or group. Okay, so I actually send these trades, these signals today. But other than that, take a look at all my admins sending a bunch of signals. These are my results on GBP USD, which, by the way, yeah, I did show it to you, right? Did I? I'm not sure. Oh, no, I didn't. It was this one right here, 4.78. Same explanation pretty much. But yeah, this is where the signals are actually being sent, and you can be part of it. Okay, how is it that you do it? Basically, you go to blwsignalsgroup.com. The way we send the signals, take a look. We send the entry price. You just copy and paste it in your broker. The take profit, the stop loss, and I always tell you what is the risk reward ratio on the trade, so you can see, hey, I might make 6% out of this trade, for instance, 7.38 on this one and 5% on this one. So this is how you can copy my positions. There's no software where I'm gonna place it and it's just gonna show automatically in your broker. No, that's not the way it works, but you just copy and paste it in your MT4 or C-Trader platform, and pretty much you're good to go. Now, why is it that I say $22,000? There's an explanation behind it. Obviously, if you have $100 into your account, then you're not going to make $22,000 in a couple of positions. It's impossible. But if you had a funded account with 100K, you would have made 22 grand. And like I said, 250, you would have made 55 grand. And these are the accounts that what's this called? FDMO has. And out of a $200,000 account, obviously I would have made $44,600, right? So this is how you can leverage from someone else's money. So instead of actually investing the $600 into your trading account, what you can do is just go ahead and buy a funded account and pass the challenge. Even if you fail 2 or 3 challenges and you win the 4th one, that's like a $2,000 investment, but then you get $100,000 into your trading account. Okay, so is it worth it? I think it's 150% worth it to better go with a funded account than going with your like you own money. That's why I go with funded accounts. I'm funded account with EA Trading. I have a funded account with FTMO, and I did have one of my first class funds, but honestly, they're a scam. They didn't pay me, so I stopped using them. But I do have funded accounts with these two companies, so I can make $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 a month easily just by following these swing trades or day trades. And you can do the exact same thing. So that's how I leverage it. So this is how you can turn, instead of making $22 out of $100, or let's say $100 based on these trades out of a $1,000 account, you can make 22,000 or 18,000 if you just give them away their 20 or 10% that they are gonna get, and you get the rest of it, like $16,000, $20,000, and you're good to go. Now, Chris, how is it that you can join? Right now, the system is under maintenance. My engineer is actually working on some changes on it, but all you gotta do is go to blwsignalsgroup.com and put in the link in the description of this video. Once you actually are in and register, you will be requested to actually share your Telegram ID so you can be added manually to this specific platform, to this specific group. Why we need to add you manually? Because there are many scammers out there using my name. So they're gonna allow you to use a group or a channel without even asking you for anything, and they're just gonna scam you by asking you money. Stuff like, hey, I'm Christian and I'm gonna manage your account and I'm gonna give you profits, but that's not true. It's not me. So better to actually go inside of BLW Signals Group, register yourself, get your account, your Telegram ID, and then they're gonna add you manually. So hopefully that makes sense. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.